Let me guess. You've probably searched how to make money online at least once this month. And honestly, who hasn't? Between rising prices, job pressure, and never having enough free time, people are looking for smart, lazy ways to earn money. And that's exactly what this video is about. So make sure to watch this video till end. Don't skip any of part of this video. You can miss an opportunity. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. I'll show you 3 of the best passive income apps in 2025 that can help you earn money straight from your phone, even while you sleep. And if you're interested in earning from AI too, I've got something special waiting at the end. First up is Honeygain. You install it once, let it run in the background, and it pays you just for sharing your unused internet connection. It's 100% passive, no surveys, no clicks, just install and forget it. But I don't mean to earn hundreds of dollars. It will pay you $10 to $50. Next is the Mode Earn app. This one's fun. You earn money for listening to music, playing games, even for walking. If you're going to do these things anyway, why not earn a little extra cash on the side? And again, it will pay you $10 to $50. And finally, there's Swagbucks. It's been around for years and still works great. You get paid to watch videos, answer surveys, shop online, simple tasks that anyone can do during downtime. And once again, it will pay you $10 to $50. These apps won't make you rich overnight, but they're a great starting point for anyone who wants to make their phone work for them. Now, if you really want to level up and start making money using AI tools without coding or special skills, click the video showing right here on the end screen. Backhand index pointing right. I'll walk you through the easiest ways people are using AI to earn passive income in 2025. See you there.